morning, people. What is beautiful in Switzerland is the nature, the landscape, and now it's winter and everything is frozen and white, and it seems to be like in a tale everywhere you go, and it's
we are here in Gruyeres. I think that it is the correct pronunciation, I hope. And today it's everything freeze. It's everything white, and I'm really happy because you have to know that I really love snow or ice and this kind of views. So are really, really beautiful. And
it's like a tale.
yeah. So I think here we are, and so
It's so cold that everything is frozen,
yeah,
and
sure.
we are frozen too, but not so terrible because we have good clothes.
yeah.
And let's go to see a chateau, a castle, and this is a region where they do cheese and so on. We hope to eat some good cheese.
Yeah. So let's go.
This location is really amazing, and this is the castle of Gruyeres, and nothing, we will try to enter. Joking. Nice place where to live,
Yeah.
don't you
beautiful.
think?
Yeah. So now we are here in this really particular bar. It's called HR Ginger Bar, and now we order two beautiful hot chocolate. And this bar is really, really particular. This is inspired by the film Alien, and I think it's pretty fantastic. It's amazing.
We love this kind of things, particular places and so on. would be nice to have a chair like this at home.
Yeah. I think it's really expensive. It's really cool.
Also the floor is particular. I don't know if you can see. And we eat again cheese, but this time with a fondue. This is melted cheese. And it's very good. If you come to Switzerland, you have to try it. Do you like it, Elia? Good appetite.
Donc il doit être pas très, vous êtes arrivé là.
We are in this amazing location called Creux. I hope the pronunciation is correct, otherwise help us to pronounce it correctly. And you can see it's a beautiful view. And the cool thing is that today we will, for the first time, try our new toy, Elia's new toy, a drone, and Elia is so excited but also worried because he didn't try it so much times, and we will test it.
Yeah.
So Elia, you can go.
Let's go.
It's a little bit windy, but it seems quite okay. How are you, Elia?
Okay.
Let's go! Nothing to do, is quite windy, and Elia took the drone down. Elia will try another time to take off the drone. Time for a selfie. now to the other side, over there, to see if it's better. And this place is really amazing.